In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Xbox controller won't pair to your console and it has the blinking lights. So, the first thing I recommend you do is you take out the battery from the back of your controller for about 5 to 15 seconds just to ensure that it's fully turned off. Then, what you want to do is put the battery back into your controller. And from here, we're going to press and hold the pairing button on the top. Then you want to press the pairing button on your console in the bottom right corner, and they should both start flashing. And at some point, the lights should stop flashing on your controller as well as on your Xbox, indicating it's paired. Now, if that doesn't work, what I recommend you do is to turn off your console. So press and hold the button on the front for about 15 seconds just to ensure that it's fully turned off. And then once it's fully turned off, you actually want to unplug the power cable from the back of your console for about 15 to 30 seconds and plug it back in. That's power cycling the console, and then you can go ahead and turn it back on. And in the meantime, if you wanted to, you could try taking the batteries out again from your controller just to get a fresh start. Now, once you've done that, you can put your battery back in, and we're going to put the back cover back on. And from here, what you want to do is press and hold the pairing button on the front of your controller again, as well as on your console again. So I'm going to press and hold it now to put the controller into pairing mode. And now I'm going to press and hold the sync button on the Xbox, and it should pair. Now, if it doesn't, if you have a cable lying around where you can connect your Xbox controller to your Xbox, that's another way to test your controller to see if it works and pair it to your console. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.